Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make rum and raisin ice cream using 4 ingredients. No mixer needed. So these are the ingredients that you'll need to make it for yourself. Step 1. Start off by soaking your raisins in rum and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This will allow it to incorporate some of that rum flavor. Next, take 8 ounces of whipped cream and whip it until it forms a stiff peak. And remember not to over pour because we don't want it to be too thick. Next, add the condensed milk and fold it into the batter. The condensed milk will make the ice cream sweet and also give it a nice creamy flavor. After the condensed milk is folded in, we're going to be adding in the rum cream and the soaked raisins. And remember, we're going to incorporate this ensuring that it's perfectly distributed. Now let's transfer the mixture into a container and we're going to be freezing this overnight. Okay foodies, once the ice cream is fully freezed, we're going to remove it from the fridge and allow it to sit for at least 2 minutes before we serve it. There you have it guys, a simple, easy rum and raisin ice cream. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let us know if you'll be trying this recipe.